Hello, my name is Bob Mason, and welcome to lab number 7 for the Business Intelligence course. For this lab, we'll be using a rule-based engine called Jess. The tool actually can be started from the Citrix desktop. The lab will walk you through the details about how to put the icons that you need on the desktop. As shown in this window, you can see that Jess is rule-based. I've enhanced the size of the font so that you can easily read it via this video. Once you click on the Citrix icon for the Jess rule-based engine, you will get a screen that appears as follows, and then you'll be positioned at the Jess prompt. So Jess is a language that comes with this tool, and it allows us to create either very simple or very complicated programs. One of the programs we'll be editing is you start with a basic script, and then you will copy it. Open it up in Microsoft Word. You will save as with a different name with your initials in front of it, and then you will run the script. So example to test Jess, I'm going to do a simple example. One starts with parentheses. I'm going to add two numbers together, 2 plus 3. And notice I receive the output, which is 5. I can also run scripts that are stored in a file directory on a Citrix server. The directory we're going to use is called Jess Work. Notice that with the language, all the expressions are enclosed in parentheses. I'm going to run a script now using the batch command, and I'm going to give the location of the script in the Jess, and then I'm going to give the name of the script. And the script that I created was my initials, RTM, followed by zebra.txt, so this will go to the directory Jess Work and load the script RTM zebra.txt and execute it. So notice I can see my output. This is the end result of the script that you will initially copy and then alter. And the objective is to know who drinks water and who owns the zebra. And if I look at the first line, I can see the Norwegian man drinks water. And if I look at line 5, I can see that the Japanese man owns a zebra. So as I said, the lab goes through a lot of details with a lot of screenshots to walk you through the process of how you can use this rule-based tool. Also, make sure at the end there are some questions about the syntax for the Jess programming language that you need to answer in addition to just altering the script. So that concludes the From the Experts video for the Jess rule-based engine for week 7.